At the beginning of the 20th century, oil began to gradually replace coal as the main energy source, and the Middle East was carved up by the imperialist countries because of its huge oil reserves. After World War I, Britain and France began to divide spheres of influence in Mesopotamia, which is now Iraq. At that time, large amounts of oil were discovered in Mosul in northern Mesopotamia. Through a series of negotiations and military means, Britain transferred Mosul, which was originally in the French sphere of influence, to the British Mandate. After that, the British merged the provinces of Mosul, Basra, and Baghdad to create modern Iraq, which was administered by Mandate. After the birth of Iraq as a country, the exploitation of its underground resources by Western countries has not stopped. The history of Iraq's struggle for oil autonomy in modern times is also the epitome of its struggle for independence and hegemony and development in war.